Hello guys, welcome to Khalsa Design. Today I am going to show you how to make this Iman Gadzhi video template or effect in Davinci Resolve. So let's get started. First open Davinci Resolve and create new project. Go to Edit page and create new Fusion composition. Duration make it 8 seconds. Go to Fusion page. Add background node, connect a rectangle mask with it, so that we can make the square shape. Select rectangle, right-click on width and click on expression, connect it with height and in the code divide height by 1.75, so we can get the perfect square. Add blur with background. Connect the same rectangle mask with blur also, select blur and set the blur strength value to 100. Now add a merge node. Connect merge node with it. Add another background. Copy the rectangle mask and paste the instant copy of this rectangle, connect it with the background. Now select the instant rectangle and instant solid and instant the border width value. Uncheck the solid. Set the border width value to 0.002. Select background and change the border color like this. Now create a circular shape. Add background and connect ellipse mask with it. Change background color to white. Uncheck solid. Set the border width. Resize it. No animation. Go to frame 36 and add keyframe on position. Set the position to 0.25 and add a keyframe on length also. Go to very first frame. Set the length value to 0. Go to frame 12 and set the position value to 0. So we can get this type of animation. Also add a keyframe on level value so that before animation this dot disappears. Add the transform node, connect with it. Select transform and click flip. Now add merge node and add a text node with it. Select text, type your text, write one. Go to layout page. On frame 40 add a keyframe on Z rotation. Go to frame number 12 and set the Z rotation value to 120. Now, add another transform node. Go to frame 18 and add a keyframe on center value, aspect value and angle. Go to frame 0 and set the center, aspect and angle value as showing on screen. Also set the size animation. Go to frame number 0 and set the size value 0.5 and a keyframe. Go to frame 36 and set the size value to 0.9. Now go to frame number 66 and set the size value 1. You can see the first shape is created. Now select all these nodes and right-click on it. Click the group option, make a group of these nodes. Add a multi-merge node. Connect background with it. Set the background alpha to 0. Now connect group 1 with multi-merge. We have to create 6 copy of this group, so copy and paste it 6 times and connect all these groups with the same multi-node. Now add transform node after every group. Now change the center X value of every transform node as showing on the screen. Now we have to make a 3-frame gap among the animations of these groups. So for that, select all these groups and open keyframes window. Click this option to fit. Press and hold these animations and make a delay of 3 frames. Now, open every group and change the text to the relative number. Now time for animation. Go to frame number 66. Select transform 1 and add a keyframe on position value. Add keyframe on every transform's position. Now, go to frame number 96 and set the center Y value as showing on screen. Now we have to add the brain icon. You can download this icon from Google as well. Add loader node and select the brain icon. Connect a transform node with it and connect the transform with a multi-merge node. Select transform and set the size value 0.7. Go to frame number 74 and set the center Y value to -0.8 and add keyframe. Go to frame number 104 and set the center Y value 0.3. Go to frame number 116. Lock the center value. Go to frame number 132 and set the center Y value to 0.05. Now, add color corrector node after brain icon, and set the saturation value to 0.2. Now, add a background node and connect the rectangle mask with it. Select rectangle mask and set the width value 0.4225. Set the height value to 0.0847 and set the corner radius to 1. Connect a merge node with it. Add another background. Copy the rectangle and paste instant copy of this rectangle and connect it with the background. Now, de-instance the solid. De-instance the border width. Uncheck solid and set the border width to 0.003. Connect the merge with the multi-merge. Set the internal background color to red and outer border color to white. Now go to frame number 96. Select rectangle. Set the center Y value to 0.4. Add keyframe. Add a keyframe on width value as well. Now go to frame number 74. Set the center Y value 0.25 and width value to 0. Now add text node. Add another merge node and connect the merge with this merge. Select text. Type your text. Font make it Montserrat. Reduce the size to 0.0372. Go to Layout page and set the center Y value to 0.4. Reduce the size. Right-click on text and select Character Level Styling. Go to Modifiers tab. On Viewer select first two words and change the type to THJN. Select next two words and change the type to Extra Bold. Go back to Tools tab and go to frame number 96. Add keyframe and center value. Go to frame number 88. Set the center value to 0.2. Now, important thing, select the merge node on which text is connected. Change the operator type to a top. This is important. Now we have to add a dashes line to this. There are many methods of creating dashes line. I am using the text method. Go to the first group. Select transform and add merge node with it. Add and connect a text node with it. Select text and type dashes. Set the tracking value to 1.102. Go to layout page and change the type to path. Now draw a path. Select the points and smooth it like this. Go to frame number 96. Go to Text tab and add a keyframe on right on. Go to frame number 66 and set the right and value to 0. Now go to Layout tab and important thing, You have to remove the text-free path keyframe. Go to frame number 96 and add a keyframe on center value. Go to frame number 66 and set the center Y value to 0.325. The dashes line is created. We have to create dashes line for every group, so I am fast forwarding it. You can follow the steps as showing on the screen. Dashes line is completed. Now we have to connect transform node with multi-merge. Go to frame number 108 and add a keyframe on center value. Now go to frame number 132 and set the center value to 1.15. Add a text node. Connect with multi-merge node. Select text and type your text. Set the size value to 0.115. Set the center Y value to -0.075. Go back to Text tab, right-click on Text and select Follower. Go to Modifier tab, and here go to Shading page. Go to frame number 160 and here you have to add a key frame on softness X and Y. Add a keyframe on opacity. Go to frame number 124 and set the softness X 20 and Y value 20 and set the opacity 0. Now go to timing page and set the delay 0.5. Now, add a loader node to import the yoga icon. You can download this icon from Google. Add the transform node with it and connect it with a multi-merge node. Select transform and change the size value to 0.48 or 5. Change the center Y value to -0.3. Now we have to add 2 more dashes line 2, group 6 and 1. The procedure is same. Add merge node with group 6. Add text node with it and this will be long line. So, add more dashes. Set the tracking value to 1.102. Go to Layout and add a path. Right-click on here and remove text path. Draw your path. Use this icon to smooth the path. Draw another line like this. I am fast forwarding it. Now we have to add the main background to it. So connect a merge node with the transform that is after the multi-merge and add a background with merge. Select background and change the type to gradient. Select this point and place vertically. Change the white shade color to red. Now add a grid node with this background. Select grid, change the row cell value to 10, column cell value to 14, major line spacing 0, change the horizontal line to 0.001, and vertical line 0.001. Now add a rectangle mask with grid, resize it like this. Set the soft edge value to 0.2. Add the transform node with it. Select transform. Go to frame number 24, add a keyframe on size. Go to very first frame and set the size value 1.25. Open spline window and smooth the keyframe. Animation is ready. Let's preview it. If you like my video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Kindly hit the notification bell icon so that you can be notified on new updates. Thanks for watching. Bye.